Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a Christmas room tour. So on my door, I have this Noel sign that I got a few years ago. And then I have this stocking on my mirror as well as a handmade ornament. And then coming alongside of here, we have some Christmas lights on my lamp. And then we have a Noel ornament. And then along that mirror, I have two more ornaments. One says Rachel and it's a little snowman. And then one's a reindeer. Then I have some mirror decals that says Merry Christmas. And then on my bed, we have some little Christmas and winter stuffed animals. We have two pillows. This one is handmade, just has snowmans on it. And that one says Merry Everything. We have some Christmas blankets as well. And then we have a countdown calendar thingy in a snowman. And then down here we have my pink tree with some rose gold ornaments and then just some random ornaments on there as well. We have my little Christmas mug. And then coming alongside of here we have my Gnome for the Holidays sign. For the decor items, I have a little globe, not globe, what the heck, a little ornament filled with little things. I have a little sleigh right there, a snow globe, a little snowman Pez, and then a little gingerbread man. And then over here, I also have like a scarf down here. Over here we have a gingerbread house candle, a mug, my snow globe, my little peanuts thing, Elsa, a snowman, and then Vanilla Bean Noel Fine Fragrance Mist. So yeah, guys, that is all of my decor. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!